Hello, how are you? Today I will show you how to validate different HTML forms by using JavaScript. First open Dreamweaver. Then in the concept of JavaScript, we can place JavaScript syntax in the body section and in the head section. So in the head section, you can add like this script tag, script, but we can add script code or JavaScript code both in the head section and uh, in the body section. First, we have to create different forms in the body section. First, form, then close the form. So you can add different form elements like text field, password, radio button, and checkbox. Then, for example, how to enter name, then input type text name, for example first name, then enter. So when we submit in this text field and how to submit the information, input type submit, then value. Here value you can add like submit, you can add submit, then close the opening tag. So uh, there are different attributes for form element in order to validate this form. So look here, name, you can give name like for example my form, then action, you can give different actions for this attribute. If there is a PHP file, you can add for example here my page dot php. So in order to connect with PHP with double quote, sorry, double quotes. So uh, you can use method. So the method is either get or a post method. During this example, the value for method is post. So let us save this one and how to create JavaScript function in the head part. First, save this file. For example, validate js.html. Then save it. Simply the form will be displayed here in the form of this one. So for example, I need to enter or simply make it empty and submit this button. During that time, the alert message will be displayed. Please enter your name before submitting. I need this type of message. So how to create this message, or simply here in the form there is another attribute here. You can on click or on submit, on submit. For example, validate form, there is a validate form, or uh, look, return to return validate form. This is a function name for validate form what I create in the head section or in the JavaScript. So here for example my function name is validate. So the function name, or this one, you can copy this one, copy or write here, paste, then open your brush. So you can create your variable. For example, there are different way of declaring a variable, either let or var. Syntax: let x is equals to, sorry, here you have to write not validate function uh, validate form, then open your brush. Here document dot write dot not write document dot forms. I wanted to validate different forms, so we can write the method form. Then here you have to call the name of the name of the name form attribute value, or this one, and the name of your field, this one. So you have to call here by using this bracket, by using this one. Then copy, you can copy this one, copy, paste, then this one. Then you can call the name of the text field. This one is variable. Simply I declare a variable by using this syntax. So if x is equals to empty, then you have to open your brush, alert, by using alert syntax. Please enter uh, your name. This alert will come in your window. Then at the end you can use semicolon. Finally return false. Then at the end close your brush, this brush and this brush. Here you can close this one. After that, save your file. Then before that, here in this one, semicolon. So save this one, then validate js.html. So how to run, or how to this one, this is my file. Then okay, this one. So when I write, for example, John, I need to submit this one, then submit. So because there is no mypage.php, I have no php file here. So if there is a php file, this interface will be submit into this php file. But uh, I need to check how to validate forms without entering the information. So here, if the text field is empty in the JavaScript, if this one is empty, please enter your name. Alert message will display in my window. So look, this is empty. Then when I submit, I press submit button. Look, please enter your name. Alert message have been displayed in your browser. So this is sample examples for validating different forms by using JavaScript. Thank you for your attention. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.